Right, Mr. Cyborg.
Yeah. So if you would pick this up, so other people are going to be watching this, like other seventh graders, and we want to show them like the things that we planned in our classroom, so they know how to also plan to have goals to and how to work towards them. So if you would like pick that up and just talk to the camera and be like, this is my action plan, yeah, and like start at the top and describe down why you have all these different steps and why this action plan is important. Guys, I need you staying quiet over there.
So far, we made this action plan, what we're going to do after we complete college. First, we're going to have a career, but me, myself, want to become a doctor. In college, I wanted to see how the state university was in Vermilion. And I want to go there. High school, so there's many kind of high schools, but one thing you need to be good at is reading, writing, and math. Alright, so our 7th grade writing goals is to increase 1.5 in writing level. My reading level grew 2 years in so mine when I first came here was 7.4. So I want to get it to 10th grade.
Awesome.
So I'm going to go one level in the Dakota Step test. Our math is saying we want to get 80% mastery in our state standards. Saying and move up one level in the Dakota Step also.
Can I ask you, why is this so important to you?
So for our career, because certain stuff, like if we have to figure out what a 10.5 milligram like dosage is, then we won't know what that it will be.
Yeah. Why is 7th grade? I mean, this is like a long time away, right? It's like, why is 7th grade so important for you to be able to do all these things?
So a teacher will get you ready for high school. So if you do good in high school, then you do good in college.
What did you do today in your classroom that's gonna help you meet these goals?
We did a test today for what we learned for the past few weeks, and I forgot what else because I think I fell asleep.
What do you do? What do we do in the morning when you first got here?
Yeah, bell work.
Okay, bell work, which was
Adding decimals.
okay, and so that's what we had our quiz on. And then what do we do after that? What do we do every morning?
Read.
Okay, why is just reading? Why is just practicing reading important?
To help your brain.
Yeah.
And learn more words.
Okay, and then so here's my question for you, Dean. Do you think that if you continue to work hard, that you're going to do well in high school?
Yes.
Okay, and so talk a little bit about like what you need to do well in high school in order to be set up for college. And remember, one thing we talked about that you need to get help pay for college. Could you talk a little bit about that?
Scholarships.
Okay.
I don't know any scholarships right now, but I really want to get some help me in college because no, I really don't get much money. So, like scholarships, they'll help you in the future. They really will. Like if you want to like travel to someplace like Greece, Italy, then I'll help you out.
Okay. Why do you want to go to like Greece and Italy and stuff like that?
Greece is saying because I'm really interested in Greek mythology. Been interested since 5th grade.
Cool.
I learned really a lot about it.
That's awesome.
Let's ask a couple questions. Like, we talked about being a code professional. Could you talk a little bit about the 3 things that you can help when you become a code professional? Could you tell that to the camera? Like why is it important? Did we talk about?
As being a Lakota professional, saying, wait, what?
Okay, so remember we said there's 3 things that you get to help when you become a code professional. You get to help yourself.
Good community.
And
people.
Okay, tell that to the camera because that's cool.
Because if you help the community out, less people will be sick. Like if I become a doctor, less people will be sick. And to help myself, I could use the money to learn more. Like if I drop out, then I won't be able to get back later.
Yeah.
To help other people, the money that I will earn will help my family. And if I have kids and stuff, my wife, I'll help them out, buy food and stuff we need.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you have anything else you think? How do you think you're doing right now on your path to becoming a Lakota professional?
In my opinion, I think I'm doing pretty good.
How do you know that?
7th grade reading level, and my math is I think 6th.
You're right on the way you need to be. Is your schoolwork up on the board behind you?
Yes.
Which one is it at?
Mine is
Right in the bottom corner.
here.
Right there.
Well, why don't you explain what that means? There.
Up here it says schoolwork pays off, and that really doesn't talk a lot. So the average salary you work if you don't get a job